cedar trees, misty hills, leaping langurs, mountain air and winding roads make the world of Mussoorie. After the erstwhile civil services training setup moved from Metcalfe House, New Delhi, the academy came to be housed in the Grand Charleville Hotel at Mussoorie. The Dalai Lama's first home in India. The Lord Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is the apex training institution in India for all the recruits of civil service. It is named after India's second Prime Minister, himself an epitome of humility and honesty. Over more than 5 decades, the Academy has trained young officers to run the administration of the country. A common foundation course is held for entrance to all India services and all Group A services of the Union. The fortunate few selected out of around 500,000 candidates are a diverse set, most importantly of different personality types, each of which finds ample avenues to excel within the foundation course.
The objective of foundation course is to build camaraderie between officers of various services. This will bring them into close contact with one another to create personal bonds which can be put to use in their professional use.
The motto of the Academy is Sheelam Param Bhushanam, meaning character is the prime virtue. The architecture of the Academy ensures that its structures become specific abode of the values to be inculcated within the probationers. Gyan Shila houses most of the knowledge transactions in the Academy. Lectures on various aspects of public policy and administration lay strong theoretical and practical foundations in the young officer trainees. Several eminent speakers, wide range of interesting lectures, state-of-the-art facility and use of interactive classroom methodologies contribute to academically stimulate the probationers. The Academy also has an excellent in-house faculty comprising of officers on deputation and full-time professors. Events like quizzes and debates provoke thinking and questioning of beliefs of the trainees and expose them to new vistas of thoughts. The keen-type probationer is predominantly inclined to classroom activities, exams, and faculty interactions. Gradually, each of the trainees develops interests in academic fields, which they enhance in the Gandhi Smriti Library through readings and discussions. Almost all personality types are found flipping pages there during exams. The polo ground is a vital part of the collective muscle memory of the trainees at the foundation course. Spread over an area of 2 hectares, a daily march to and fro between the hostels and the ground located around 1.5 kilometers downhill along with physical exercise every morning is initially enjoyed by the cop-type probationers and feared by rest.
So I think the climate and the location of the academy is very conducive to intense physical workouts. Besides, the physical trainers that we have in the academy have really pushed and gotten people out of their comfort zones to explore different physical activities including running and different sports. Personally, I really enjoyed the cross-country race because of the route that we took and because fellow officer trainees were highly inspired.